Hi, I'm Joanne Mostrales, B106 marketing student at Ateneo Graduate School of Business. This is my local application of marketing concept or LAMC on competitive strategies for market leaders titled Nationwide Presence, Enduring Market Power. A market leader holds the largest share in its industry and often sets trends. The presentation comprises of two key sections: increasing market share and its local application. Most of the industry's dominant players expand their influence through strategic alliance, joint venture, or acquisition. A good example is the acquisition of Cebu Pacific's boutique airline, AirSwift, of about 1.75 billion pesos. This move reinforces its position as the Philippine carrier with the largest domestic network. Let's look into another local example focusing on SM markets. In the Philippine supermarket sector, three major players dominate. SM Markets with 22% market share, Pure Gold at 16%, and Robinsons Retail with 12%. Let's delve into how SM maintains its leadership position despite median store coverage. On June 2014, SM Investments entered a joint venture with Indonesia's biggest mini-market chain. As of 2025, Alfamart operates approximately 2,650 stores nationwide. The stores offer a wide range of products, including SM bonus goods. These are typically 15 to 20% cheaper than national brands. This serves well to the local communities and encourages tourist visits, offering affordable groceries. In my province in Zambales, every town has Alfamart. In our place itself, it has two outlets. You don't need to commute to the cities to get your favorite SM product. And it also accepts loyalty program that allows you to earn points. With this strategy, SM has effectively gained strong nationwide presence and enduring market power. These strategies collectively enhance SM customer base by reaching out to untapped markets with its competitors have not reached. This also contributes to the growth of local communities. This reinforces its commitment to responsible development and sustainable growth. Yan ang Tatak SM. Again, this is Joanne Mastrales inviting you to connect via my LinkedIn by scanning the QR code.